Alrighty, we're going to have a quick card making class, video, whatever you want to call it. I have a bunch of paper that you can just buy a pack of it, a tablet of it or whatever at the craft store, and it comes with a bunch of different sheets of different random Halloween stuff. So I'm not sure what I want to use yet 100%, but you take a piece of just plain cardstock, 5.5 or 8.5 by 11, and you cut it at the 5.5 mark so that you have two 5.5 by 4.25 pieces and fold them in half. Then I cut these two for my bases. I'm going to make 2 cards. So I'm going to put this one on here and this one on here. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm just going to play a little bit and figure out what I think looks good. So let's turn you down. Okay, my favorite glue or whatever it's a Tombow mono adhesive, so I'm just going to take it, and it's this little flappy side down, just because I'm I'm moving on the same place you're sitting, you're falling over. See if I can manage to not be so aggressive in my gluing. Right, so it's kind of sticky. So we're just going to put this on here as best we can. If you get it a little crooked, you can always, it's what scissors are for. You can always trim it off. So there's that one. And we're going to do this one. These are super simple cards. I make much more complicated ones, but if you want to throw something together really quick, this is your best bet. Oh, got that on a little crooked. Get it on crooked, you can tear it back off if you do it quick. Eventually the glue sets, but now this one is, see how that white shows at the bottom? Well, we don't want that, so we're going to cut that off. I guess this orange piece was a little smaller than I thought it was. So there's a little piece over here showing too. Alrighty, so I think I might want a little strip. Is this big enough? Yeah. I might want a little strip of this green to go across here. I've got a cutter here. I've got a big cutter and then this small cutter. I'm going to cut a little piece about, maybe an inch, maybe 1.5 inches. Let's try 1.5 inches. See if we like that. We can always make it smaller. Put this little strip across here. I like the way that looks, so let's glue that one down. You can do cards to open this way or this way. This particular one I'm doing to open this way. Now I'm just going to put one more little thing on there. Probably just going to cut out one of these. Maybe the words. There's some words here. It says boo, scary, creepy, chills, trick or treat, boo, eek, happy Halloween, etc. So I'm just going to cut that out. See how I like it across that little green strip. Or I have another idea too. We'll see. We'll cut this one out too and decide which one we like best. That's how I make cards, is I just play with it till I like the look of it. You can go online, especially if you buy a stamp set. You can go online and find all kinds of examples of cards people have made with that stamp set. So you can, there's all kinds of ways to copy people. Okay, so here's two ideas. There's this little pumpkin, or do we want these words? I make this one real simple and just put the words. And that's it. Quick and easy and cute. And then I'll just write a little note in it. And that's the end of that one. You could put this on here, but we need more. That's not enough. You usually want at least 3 layers on a card. Let's see if we put some of this and then this. No, that's not. I'm not going to like that. What else could we put? We could put this row of pumpkins across. Maybe. Or maybe these pumpkins and cats and things. Let's cut a piece of that and see what we think. So I want it to be, let's see, let's do this one going the other way. So we want this to be 5.5. Oops, that didn't cut through. I'm trying not to press too hard and jiggle the camera, is why it's not cutting very well. Oh, I did cut, I just didn't. And then we want to try this one at 1.5 also, since that 1.5 worked good on the last one. That seems to be a... No, that's not right. Let's see. Have to be 1.5 this way. I think I'd cut this weird, but we'll fix it. There's nothing you can't fix. It's just paper. And then we want the 5.5 to go this way. So cut the 5.5 go in the wrong direction. Okay. I think that's going to look cute. What did I do with my... Oh, here it is. I couldn't find my glue. Okay, this is this so far. Maybe one more thing. What do we want? I might go with the words again. I like the way that looked. But it'll be a little more busy looking because of the cats. So let's try that. think of that? I think I like it that way. So let's glue that on. Alrighty, there's the other one. So it took me 10 minutes to make 2 cards. And I probably could have gone faster, but I was kind of going slow to show you guys. So that's super simple. You just buy a pack of paper and, like, if you like flowers, you could buy one with flowers and just layer up different flower papers, like small, like maybe a plain color on the bottom, then small flowers, and then maybe bigger flowers. There's just, that's super simple way to make cards. There's lots of harder ways, but if you're just starting out, this is the super simple way to do it. Just remember 3 layers at least. Just 2 is kind of like, eh. What I could have done to make it even better, and I didn't think of it till it's too late, I already glued it down, was maybe take a plain color like orange and put it under this on both of these. Well, maybe black on this one, and made a 4th layer, and that would have made it pop even more. But I didn't, and it's too late, and it doesn't matter, it's still cute. So these I'm going to put $10 into it for my granddaughters and tell them you're too old to go trick-or-treating, but you're never too old to buy candy, and I'm going to send these out to them. And I'm going to dig through my other cards and find a sympathy card for my friend whose mother died, but I'm not going to make it with here, but there you go, 2 cards.